Hi everybody, this is Joe from Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video today. In today's video, we are going to be cutting this large oak tree that's been dead in the woods for quite a while. Also, I just got a new sharpener for my chains, and I just sharpened this chain, and kind of want to see how it's going to work out. So why not trust it on a 30-inch diameter oak tree here, or I don't know, maybe it's only like 28 inches or whatever. We're going to cut off a piece here and then get those wedges out and try splitting it. So without further ado, I got my assistant here, Matt, JPF employee, and he's starting the saw like a girl, but let's see how it cuts. Look at that. Took about a minute to cut that, and there's quite a bit of wood there. Now he's going to go get the wedges. We're going to get her split, so hopefully that goes good too. So I hope everybody liked today's video, and as always, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.